In recent years, medical costs have only gone in one direction, up. And if you're struggling to pay your medical bills, it's easy to feel like there's no way out. However, it's important to know that you're not alone in this, and there are multiple ways to get financial help with your medical bills. Help that could make a world of difference if you're in a tight financial spot. So, in this video, we'll show you all the options available when it comes to getting help with your medical expenses. First of all, if you're on a low income or receiving certain benefits, you might be eligible for support with health costs. This can include free prescriptions, dental care, and even help with travel to NHS appointments. The NHS offers several types of support. HC2 certificates for full healthcare cost coverage, HC3 certificates for partial coverage, NHS tax exemption certificates, maternity exemption certificates, medical exemption certificates. You could qualify if you're on certain benefits or have a low income, you're pregnant or have had a baby in the last year, you're 60 or older, you're 19 or younger, you receive a war pension, you have specific medical conditions like diabetes. There is also a simple way to save on your prescription costs. In England, a single prescription costs £9.90. However, if you need regular medication, consider a Prescription Prepayment Certificate, or PPC. It's almost like a season ticket for your prescriptions and over time can save you a lot of money. For example, if you need 2 prescriptions a month, you could save over £100 a year with an annual PPC. As for dental care, costs are divided into 3 bands. However, you may be eligible for free dental treatment if you're under 18, pregnant, or receiving certain benefits. So it's a good idea to check your eligibility before your appointment, as you'll be surprised at what you're entitled to. Support is available for eye care costs too. Free eye tests and optical vouchers are available for certain groups, including children, students, and those on low incomes. Another hidden gem to consider is the healthcare travel cost scheme. If you're on a low income and need to travel for NHS treatment, you might be able to claim back your travel expenses. It might not seem much at first, but over several months, the savings will add up. The NHS also has a low income scheme. Essentially, if your income is below a certain threshold, you could get help with all sorts of health costs, from prescriptions to dental treatment and more. And beyond these benefits, there are always ways to save on your healthcare costs. For instance, always check if you're eligible for NHS support. Consider a PPC for regular prescriptions. Buy generic instead of branded medicines. Take advantage of free services like flu jabs. Ultimately, it's important to remember that health is wealth, and you should always try and prioritize your well-being whenever you can. And thanks to the financial support available in the UK, paying for your medical expenses may be more manageable than you think. For all things finance, make sure you check out our content on the Afforda website.